So we're gonna start with these eggplant right here.
Okay.
So moussaka can be made a couple different ways. Some people do like lamb and eggplant or like potatoes and eggplant.
Yeah.
I don't like doing potatoes. I feel like it's kind of unnecessary.
Yeah.
So and I also love eggplant. Like the more the eggplant, the better. The problem with eggplant, as you know, is that it can be like really gross and astringent
Bitter,
and kind of bitter
yeah.
and burning. So what we do is salt the eggplant.
Right.
Right before frying it. These have been sliced and salted.
All right.
But you can also just cut through like that as well.
And you're gonna salt these also?
Yeah, we're gonna salt these guys and we're gonna let these sit. You can let them sit for an hour. You can let them sit for even overnight. If you're gonna go overnight though, you wanna put them in the fridge. The salt will sort of activate faster at room temperature, all right?
And that's gonna kind of draw out some of the moisture and
It's
some of that bitterness?
Exactly. So it's gonna draw out the moisture, which is what you want. It's gonna like impart seasoning into the eggplant. So you can see I just salted it with kosher salt. We're gonna let this sit, and then
And does it matter which way you slice it?
it's really up to you. I mean, we've got like the facility here for long
Yeah, we
eggplant
do.
slices. In my minuscule apartment, I would cut it much smaller because there's like no room. So this is basically it. Now you can see it's letting out all this moisture, which is great, and it feels tender. It's sort of cured.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Feels a lot different.
Now, what's good is, like I said, there's not going to be any water in this. It's not going to taste vegetal, and it'll be seasoned really well. So we're going to sear this. Now, you don't have to sear this in a pan. You can dress it with oil and bake it
Okay.
and roast it in the oven.
Makes it a little easier.
It makes it easier, and it makes it easier to do a big batch, and then like
Right.
your apartment or house won't smell like fried eggplant.